Welcome to Regular and Substantive Interactions, or as we like to call it, RSI. My name is Dawn Hale, and I am your instructor for this course. The course is going to be about an hour long, and the goal of this course is to help our faculty understand and apply practical strategies that are student-centered and that strengthen an engagement and communication through instructional presence in online and blended courses in your institution, through whatever LMS system that you're using to deliver your content. So in the course, I have embedded some formative assessments, and at the end of the course, there will be one summative assessment, and there will also be a course survey. I do encourage you, even if you already know about RSI, to go ahead and scroll through each of the pages to make sure that you do check off on the actual assessments. That will give me feedback to know how much you understand and how you're using RSI in your courses. So anyway, you can contact me at any time, even if it's late at night. I happen to be a night owl, and I do like the night hours. I can't guarantee that I'll respond to you at night, but if I am awake, I definitely will. So don't be surprised if you're up, scrolling around at 1 or 2 in the morning and you send a message and I respond back. It's not because I got up because of your notification. It's probably because I was already awake. But if I don't respond, I will respond in the morning, so don't have fear that I'll leave you hanging for too long. To find the contact information for me, you'll find it on the home page of this course, and there should be a link on every page to get you back to the home page to find me. Feel free also, not only by email, but to send me a message via Teams, and I will happily chat back with you or even get on a call with you with video conferencing. I love doing that. It builds relationships, and honestly, that's what this is all about for me and for us. So anyway, I look forward to having you in the class and having your feedback from it, and I hope you enjoy it. Nice to meet you. Bye-bye.